like to introduce Mr. Abhimanyu Dua, FMB 14 September alumni, Managing Director of Modern Electronics. He will tell us about one successful and one unsuccessful deal of his life now.
Thank you, Priyanka. I'll start with a successful deal. So this was almost a year back when one of my operational head wanted to leave the company, and he's been there with the company from almost past 10 to 12 years now. And he was keen on leaving the company because he was getting a very good pay package from another company, which was one of my rivals. So since I did not really had an immediate replacement, plus I did not wanted to lose such a important employee of my company, so I sat down with him and I explained it to him how he has grown from a small person in the company to an assistant basically, and to what he is now as an operational head in these 10 to 12 years of his tenure in the company. So I told him that the amount of respect and the amount of responsibilities he's been enjoying in the company so far is something which is irreplaceable. And if he joins another company, he obviously would have to start from scratch. And apart from that, I obviously had to give him like a warning that if he still decides to leave the company and go with another one, he obviously would not be welcome back in my company. So that was something which made him change his mind. And obviously I had to give him something extra apart from just explaining all these importance of his role in the company. So I have offered him some little incentives which did not really matter much to me, but it mattered a lot to him and his family in a way, like medical insurance and something like that. So that was it, I guess. That's something which really made him change his decision, and for me it was like a very important thing which was good for me as well as my company. So I would take it as a very successful deal, which I did. And getting on to the unsuccessful deal about which was almost like 6 months back. So this was like a very cliched problem, you would say labor union. Usually every company faces that. So same problem, like these the labor union, they came to me, and the leader basically came to me, and he obviously demanded an increase in pay and everything. So because of that, I obviously tried to convince them and everything from whatever I've learned in my studies and everything. I tried to convince him, and to a certain level we did manage to negotiate to a certain extent, but still there were few elements in the union who could not agree to whatever terms I laid in front of them. So eventually I had to go to the higher officials of our board members, and then we had to set up a meeting with these guys, and in a way the entire operation of my company was halted for almost 6 to 10 days, which affected greatly to my company because one of my very important clients' orders were pending because of that. And because of these problems which were occurring again and again in my company, the entire order was delayed for almost 6 to 10 days, and we were not able to deliver the promised amount of goods we were supposed to in the right time. So that was something which really obviously dented my image as a good company in front of my clients, and as well as